What's up, everybody? We are back after it again today. We're doing some river fishing, some wading, and I came up with this idea, and I know it's not new, but it's new for me, to do some kind of fishing challenge. And what I decided to do, I went to Walmart the other day and I picked up a bunch of Ozark Trail lures. So today's video, I'm going to be just using the Ozark Trail El Cheapo lures. Picked up, I didn't want to spend more than $10. I think my final total ended up coming out to be about $8. So bought a couple spinners, which this is going to be the Fire Tiger spinner that I'm going to start out with. And I know they are pretty proven because I've trout fished with those, and I know they actually work. So I probably won't spend a whole lot of time using spinners. I want to try to focus on using some of these other baits that I don't normally use. So I did buy the Fire Tiger spinner, which I said I'm going to start with. I got this white one. I also got a Ozark Trail rattle lure. It's 3/16 of an ounce. Never used that before, so I'm going to see if I can't get something on that. And the thing I'm most excited about, which I wanted to get one of the Ozark Trail versions of the Whopper Plopper, but could not find it at my local Walmart. But I do plan on getting that at some point and making a video, hopefully. So I may actually have to order that. But got some of these Ozark Trail frogs here. These are 2.5-inch topwater frogs. So I got the green one of those, and then I got a yellow one. So be interesting to see. I don't really ever fish with topwater very much, but going to be excited to use that. So the place I'm going, the water's kind of fast, so it may not actually be too good for the topwater baits, but we'll give it a try anyways. I know we're in a pretty significant drought, and it hasn't rained in probably over a month. So the last time I was here, the water level was super low. So basically going to be trying to find a bunch of little puddles in and out behind rock ledges and stuff to see if there's any fish holed up in it. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. Let's see if we can catch some fish here. Oh, here we go. Yeah, got my third cast there. Got that one on that Fire Tiger spinner, so it's probably, let's measure him. He's right at about 10.5, but no monster, but we'll take him. First one of the day, though. I'm happy with it. Got that on the old Ozark Trail Fire Tiger color spinner. It's got a gold blade, so might throw it a few more times and then I'll switch to the other one. Oh, here we go. Oh, this feels pretty nice. But he is in current, so I don't know. Doing some head shaking, that's for sure. Yeah. It's a pretty decent little fish. Put them on the measuring tape here. Let's call that one 12 inches. Nice little smallmouth. That's the second one on the old Fire Tiger here. I think I'm going to switch. Oh, here we go. Walleye. Walleye. He engulfed that thing. Get a measurement of him before I take him off. 15 incher. And get him off the hook here. Well guys, I didn't get the release on video. I was actually getting the hook out and he flopped out of my hand, but I did catch that one on that white Ozark Trail spinner. So so far 2 out of 2 on lures here. So probably cast this one just a little bit more, see if I can't get another bass or maybe something else, and then I'll switch. Oh, here we go. Little old guy. Caught that on that old rattle trap I just switched to. I have to get him unhooked here. Alright guys, well I just caught that last fish. I got him off the hook here. He was side hooked a little bit, but we got him off and back in the water, no issues. But that's what I just caught him off of at Ozark Trail rattle trap. So I think it's a 3/8 of an ounce. So see if I can't catch another one right here. Oh, here we go. Little old dinker. Little old smallmouth. These little ones are feisty. He's bleeding a little bit, but we're going to get him back in the water here. 8 inches. There he goes, swam off. It's number 2 on the old rattle trap. Might switch here in a minute. The only thing I don't like about this lure is, I mean, it ain't the lure's fault, but it does dive pretty deep, and when you're fishing shallow water, it's really grassy. It tends to pick up all the grass from the bottom, but as long as they get it before it gets in the grass, I think you'll be all right.
I caught something.
Oh, you did get one. You got a... That's a pretty nice one. Just don't reel it all the way up. Here, right here. Bring it up, you caught it though.
I caught one, but I didn't hold it. Oh, my hands felt better when you did that.
Good job. Well, I just hooked into a big one here. thing is a giant, whatever it is. Not sure what this is. Definitely pulling me. Haven't seen it yet. Just keep seeing swirls at the top of the water. I don't know what it is yet. This thing's pulling some drag good though. Probably a big old catfish. Whatever this is huge.
A bass?
I don't know what it is. I ain't seen it yet.
I think it's a big carp.
Could be a big carp. I wouldn't. Could be. I don't know. I wouldn't think it is. It's big, whatever it is.
Holy crap.
Look at my rod. That thing's about doubled over here.
You just gotta wear them out.
I gotta get out of this fast water somewhere.
I think it's a big carp.
Get your net ready, whatever it is. It'll hopefully wear out here in a minute. Feel like it's coming in a little bit now.
If this is a bass, you can tell you like this.
If this is a bass, it's gonna be an absolute giant. Hey, don't go out there too far. Don't be like scooping it with the net and stuff, because it'll might knock it out of its mouth. Just let me get it up here a little bit. Probably a big old walleye. I don't know what it is.
What would you use?
Spinner.
Holy crap, it's a monster bass.
See if you can get it in the net. Hold on. Get it from the front.
I think it's a monster carp.
Oh, it's a big old carp.
He snagged him.
Well, get him.
He's still ready to fit in my net.
There you go. Good gosh. How did I snag that thing? It must have been in his mouth, and then he like shook it or something and it got in his tail. It's a big old carp. Wasn't expecting that. I thought it was a giant like catfish or something. Let me see if I can get this out of him real quick.
You hear him talking?
Yeah. He's probably wore out.
Oh my gosh. Hold my rod. Hold.
I got it.
That's easily 20. That's 20.
20 pounder.
Yes. That's easy.
That's crazy.
That's a monster right there.
That is a monster.
Hey.
All right, right there it is. 8 pound, 14 ounces. Right at 9 pounds. That thing was fighting like it was a 20 pounder though. Got one? Yep. That's a nice one.
On the homemade spinner.
Homemade spinner.
These things don't never give up, do they? trying to free you, buddy.
Grab it.
Okay. I don't want to get 10. I've already got 10 minutes on there. There we go.
Yeah. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up this fishing video. We had a pretty good day fishing those Ozark Trail spinners and lures, and the only thing I'm a little disappointed in was I didn't get anything on the frog, which kind of the area I was fishing wasn't really meant to fish frogs, but I gave it a try anyways and I didn't have no luck. But not going to give up on it yet. I'm going to find some more calmer water and I think it'll do pretty good. But all in all, good day. I think I caught 7, 6, something like that on the Ozark Trail lures, and I did catch a couple off camera just fishing for fun and missed a couple, so pretty good day. But I appreciate y'all watching this video. If you would, just do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that like button, also subscribe, and stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some more coming. See you on the next one.